See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
As I upload the video, now me can visit Twitter, me I go play small. As I enter Twitter, Omoyele sowore, see what he drop. Hello, you are welcome to this class. They say very dark man don't send Blord. Go prison. May go eat white rice for there. Rice with stone. You see so? Without wasting your time, we could enter the class. As you can see, court reminds Blord in Kuje prison for impersonating very dark man. Another one, breaking. Court remands businessman Blord at Kuje prison over activists, very dark man identity theft allegations. Now theft will not be only money person they steal from person. If you still steal other things, you steal person identity. Court story, what happened? According to the news, also very dark man, Linus William Ifejirika, also called Blord, father of Blord Group, take it to court, remanded in prison for 26 days. It means he go celebrate Easter for prison. He go remain there for 3 weeks and 5 days. He go remain there for 3 good Sundays. The first person, very dark man, send go prison where the matter concern now. I mean, where the matter concern very dark man. This is the first person where they send go prison. The first person where he sue. At the same time, first person where send go prison concerning his own matter. No be other people matter. Court. Now Federal High Court, Abuja. Now today, the matter happen. They say next hearing, where they go bring her come. No be for bail. Now 27th of this month. Or that day, they fit send and go back. Prison where they send and go. Kuje Correctional Center. Where he will stay till next hearing. Now this place be a new house now. Where you going to do content. Charges against Blord, in case you don't know. Criminal conspiracy, impersonation, unauthorized use of identity. Meaning using another person's identity for business without permission. Creating false claims to promote products. Who brought the case? Now Martin Vincent Ose, very dark man, VDN. Now he filed petition against Blord. Claims his identity was used without consent. Main allegations against him from VDN side though. Number one, false brand ambassador claim. Blord said VDN was his ambassador without any contract. Claimed VDN approved his app. VDN says, I never agreed. 2. Use of face and image. VDN's face used on billboards, flyers, app promotions, that is U point and B point. And all this, no permission given to him. That one is stealing. 3. Fake endorsement claims. Claimed VDN approved the app, VDN endorsed the business, VDN denies everything. 4. Alleged scam complete. Some users allegedly complained about the app. VDN says his image was used to get trust. It means say now very dark man they go dey blame for the app because he used VDN's face. As you say, some people say they dupe them. For instance, so it means say a VDN they go blame. It's like for me, for instance, I can tell you say this app is good. Use the app. If the app got fail, you go blame me. The same thing. Using VDN's face for an app, people can't trust the app. Call it and say, hey, problem deal. Who they go blame? Say so. That is why it is complicated. 5. Forged flight ticket. Fake ticket created in VDN's name. Claimed he was coming to Onitsha. Result, people gathered expecting VDN. Confusion everywhere. Another one. 6. Fake 500 million deal. Blord allegedly claimed he paid VDN 500 million as ambassador. VDN said, I don't even do adverts. Says there was a time he rejected 700 million deal from another person. What happened in court? Charges were read. Blord thought say he no dey guilty. Normal. Court decision. Case adjourned. Blord remanded for 26 days. Important legal point. VDN explains. Defamation versus crime. If you insult online, not criminal. If you insult. If you use person identity fraudulently without approval, that is criminality. VDN's message. Talk anything about me, but don't cross into crime. Because stealing person's identity, using it without approval, now criminality. That's why they tell some people say, don't let comment section carry you go prison. You know, say fans, they sabi praise person, praise person, praise person. Even though say the person do bad, they go to praise him. But you learn from prison. Who they could now? No be only him. Fans they there. Comment section they there. Bigger message. Why this matters? Identity misuse is serious in Nigeria, all over the world. Influencer or image is equals to money at trust. When person like me, for instance, say I endorse this product, and they put my face behind this so it means say anything will happen. That's why for me, I'm very careful to even endorse, to even advertise. You can't carry my face now, say I endorse. You know what it means? You take an example. You can't use Davido's face now. Say now Davido, now he endorse your product. Come put up for billboard. Whiskey Duka, Bonaboka, use them for advert without permission or agreement. Allegation of bribery, according to VDN. VDN thought say some people wanted to settle this matter with police. They say the new IG no send people where they work with them. They discipline. Now see, the painful part is not even going to prison for me. It is knowing that the same person you was called a nobody. Someone you said was not on your level. Say you no get family, you no get business. You had mama, say now nobody now. Say I'm even sorry to my fans, to my family, to people around me for mentioning videos from my mouth. You say it's a nobody. You come and say now that very person. Now I can put you for prison. Or you eat white rice. Miss 2026 Easter. Actually, no be you put out deal that is behavior. It's reckless behavior. And it gets deeper. The lawyer you mocked called an ex-convict is the same lawyer. Where argue case. They carry you so that you two go experience what they call ex-convict. So don't be ex-convict now. They're not convicted. They say go to prison, remand. Don't be conviction. Because a lawyer will express the same fate like that in the hands of a reckless judge. Say na ex-convict. Today now they don't say you go prison. Does that mean you two are ex-convict? Now the same lawyer carry you go prison so. So the real question is this, my people. What exactly were you think? What did they think? Why using his face in your promotional materials? What did Blord the thing that time? Design the flyers, billboard, put in your opponent's face. What do you think? Using his name to claim you paid him for endorsement. Even going as far as taking a flight ticket. And you call yourself a billionaire. Think now. You say you be billionaire. And you made this money through doing legitimate business. See, not be money be the thing, no. The process, they teach you lesson. The process where you pass through, take make money, they give you some character, they acquire some character, behavior through that process. You don't know, say they don't use person face for products or for advertisement. You say person endorse your product, endorse that. What do you they think? I don't just understand though. What was the end game? Cruise? Blord, if you are watching this in prison, because I hear say that they allow some people carry phone. What were you thinking? Or just reckless play, like a baby. They see the way where your opponent, they're very careful. I mean, VDM. They see the way VDM, they careful, very strategic. How would they reckless? Like, what you, I don't understand though. Why even using his face? By using his face, you are indirectly saying that this person passed me. That is meaning. That means you as Blord, you are not enough to endorse your product by yourself. You need the assistance of another person, bigger name. When you go meet them, you call user, you call stealer, user. I never see. Now, you don't go prison. Aside that, VDM escorted him to prison.
You understand? So now we go prison. He say, now be the old plan, I get money. We go escort him. Now we want to escort and go drop for prison. So we are all going to go. This is the black barrier where it is. You understand? So all of us will go prison now. Alpha, we'll escort this man go prison. Alright, so as you can see, I am escorting Blord to Kuje prison. We don't do road to Kuje. Show them where Blord is inside the black barrier. Show them. Very good. Masha! You don't do now, we don't already send and go now. Why? Why? They say no party, no waiting. They don't say no video now. Don't escort Blord come prison. Come Masha baby lawyer.
You understand?
I will don't escort her come prison. So we go wait 26 days now. We take 26 days. We go spend this up here. So he did there. So Sally will not be follow him. So we go. Don't try.
Blord is here now. For now, Blord is in PJ.
To me, just say Yeta is that prison. Himself and his lawyer. Wait till you think you want to drop off a comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. You see, I don't finish the class finish. As you can see, no be share where I take lecture. Now be this. Now another share be this. As I upload the video, that's make I see Twitter. Me I go play small. As I enter Twitter, Omoyele sowore. See what he drop. I have read about the court-ordered detention of an individual known as Blord. I must say this clearly that no one should celebrate the incarceration of any person under the color of law. Any person, anyone. Who is this anyone celebrating? I have reached out to my astute rights lawyer, Masha D.F. Abubakar, urging him to disengage from the process. VDM carry lawyer. Go court with Blord. Court cause say, go prison. Now, because you don't talk to your lawyer, make him disengage. Okay, oh. We must all agree that sending Blord to prison is not a victory for legal brilliance or advocacy. Are you criticizing your lawyer or BDM? Rather, it risks embodying a system of oppression. Are you saying BDM or the lawyer is an oppressor that weaponizes the law against citizens? Justice must never be reduced to punishment for its own sake. I will work to ensure this case is discontinued and Blord is released without further delay. For me, this is good, but I think sowore for discuss with lawyer and BDM may they resolve the matter amicably. But for coming out like this, you are indirectly portraying something different, trying to take the glory. At least you can discuss with them, discontinue. Tomorrow they say, okay, we don't forgive him. They don't know who plead on his behalf. But try to use some certain words here, some discretion to castigate the other guys. What do you not think? You want to drop off a comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel.